Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the Honor X6b, a smartphone that packing with the amazing feature with a budget-friendly smartphone. We will be going the key highlight of this phone from the design to the performance and see if it's really hold up in 2024 competitive market. So let's start the video. First, let's talk about the design. The Honor X6b is a sleek, slim and feel premium in the hand. The phone built in glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame. The back has a matte finish that reduces fingerprint. That is the plus point. Well, the side-mounted fingerprint scanner is still responsive and fast. Let's move on the display. The Honor X6b comes with a 6.56-inch 90Hz LCD panel with a resolution 720p into 1612 pixels. And the phone comes with 780 nits of peak brightness, so you can easily use this smartphone outdoor. Color look vibrant and the skin to body ratio is great for watching media. Has a budget friendly smartphone. Let's move on the camera section. This smartphone comes with a dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel AI camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the front is come with 5 megapixel selfie camera. This smartphone selfie camera and back camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video, and as you can see that the video quality is average, nothing special. Let's now talk about the picture quality. Yeah, daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction and dynamic range is great. And I am already making this smartphone dedicated camera review on my channel. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. And this is the camera sample and you can get some pretty much idea about the camera performance. So as a budget friendly smartphone, the smartphone camera quality is good. Now let's talk about the performance. The smartphone comes with MediaTek Helio G85 processor with octa-core 2x2.0 GHz CPU and Mali G52MC GPU, and you can get 6GB of RAM and 6GB of virtual RAM. So as a performance wise, the smartphone performed pretty well. All the app opening and closing has been very fast. At the same time, I also run many apps in the background, so it's easily handled pretty good. And I am also play Call of Duty Mobile on this smartphone. The gaming performance is great. And I am also making a dedicated gaming review on this smartphone. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. One of the best key features, the smartphone comes with the massive 5200 mAh battery with 35-watt fast charging, so you can get easily 1 day of battery backup. So is the Honor X6b worth it your money? If you're looking for a budget friendly phone with a solid performance with a good camera and a good display, so Honor X6b is the good choice for you. That pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.